our project is ready on Holi Safety. So now let's have a look. So the name of the project is Holi Safety and I have included 10 points in it. So starting with point number 1, that is apply sunscreen and oil the hair before stepping out. Then save water by using pitchkaris and playing Holi with dry colors. Use eco-friendly, natural, homemade Holi colors. Next point is not to apply colors on eyes, nose, mouth or ears. Then don't use water balloons as they are painful. Then point number 6 is dress in full cotton clothes. Next is maintain adequate hydration by drinking water. Point number 8 is keep the first aid box ready for any emergency. Then the next point is do not pour colors over plants and animals. And lastly, take bath immediately after the celebration. So this was about the Holi Safety project. Do let me know in the comment box about the video. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up, do share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing out. Happy Holi and happy growing up with your loved ones.